Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be opening up a booster box of Star Wars Unlimited. This is the second set, Shadows of the Galaxy. This box has 24 booster packs in it. I'm going to do two videos, so 12 packs in this video and 12 packs in a second video which will come out in a few days. Just to spread out the pack opening videos a bit, because otherwise it'll be a very long video. So the bit of blurb on this box reads, enrich your Star Wars Unlimited collection with these booster packs. Choose your leader, build your deck, and challenge your rivals in this fast-paced, easy-to-learn game of unlimited possibilities. The Shadows of the Galaxy set features characters and content from the Mandalorian series, Solo: A Star Wars Story, the Book of Boba Fett series, and more. Each booster pack can be used to build and upgrade decks for head-to-head multiplayer draft or sealed play. Nice they've included some of the sort of lesser known properties and lesser liked properties as well. The Solo movie for a start. Not by me, but by the majority of fandom. I liked it personally, but not everyone did. So this is what the box art looks like on the front. Close up, it's really nice. And you've got, that's Chrysanthemum I think. Cassian Andor on the back. And one of the characters from the Bad Batch, which I haven't watched, so I don't know which character that is. Let's open the box. So this is what the box looks like in retail. If you want to keep your eye out for it. I do like how these booster boxes display. It's very reminiscent of the 1990s when I was collecting the original Star Wars TCG and other TCGs. Just nice to see boxes of packs in shops like this. So let's look at the booster pack art. I presume there's three different ones. We have Bo-Katan on this one. We have Boba Fett from the Book of Boba Fett by the look of it, on Jabba's throne, is that? And randomly, Lando Calrissian from Solo: A Star Wars Story. Very strange choices if you ask me, but there we go. I'd have thought they would want to put another bounty hunter on, maybe, or Jabba the Hutt or someone like that, but I don't know. Back of the pack, if you're interested, that's what it looks like. So let's get the 12 packs out. So randomise them a bit. And let's open them up, see what we've got. So there's 16 cards in each pack. We'll start off with this one and see what we get. So it looks like we start off with leader cards like we did with the first set. This one is Boba Fett. It's a common leader. Double-sided, I presume. Then we have base. This is Death Watch Hideout Concordia. Backed with a shield. Common cards. We get a Clan Ren Rescuer. Death Mark. Rivals Fool. Mercenary Company. Daring Raid. Moment of Glory. Underworld Thug. That's a reprint, isn't it? From the first set. Grey Squadron Y-Wing. Wanted. And then we get uncommons. We get Queel. Unlicensed Headhunter. And Fennec Shand. Ooh, we get our first legendary in the first pack. This is Supreme Leader Snoke. I'm not sure how rare he is or how expensive he is, but nice all the same. We get an uncommon foil of Privateer Crew, and that's the first pack. It's nice we got a legendary in the first pack. We'll go for a Bo-Katan next. So another common leader, we get Bosk and Coronet City, Corellia with a shield. Common cards, we get Nima Outpost Constables, Adelphi Patrol Wing, Guavian Antagonizer, Timely Intervention, Gentle Giant, Bounty Guild Initiate, Fugitive Wookiee, Slaver's Freighter. We've got Hyperspace, Black Sun Starfighter. Uncommons, Zuckuss, Kirazi Heavy Fighter. Ooh, a rare Hyperspace, Dr. Eva-san, that's brilliant. Wanted that one. Great. A rare card of Vambrace Flamethrower. And a foil Gamorrean Retainer. These are common foil. So next we'll do a Lando. We haven't done a Lando yet. And we get a Lando leader. That's convenient. This is a rare leader as well. We get a Remote Village with an experience token. Commons, Ruthless Assassin, Moment of Glory, Vambrace Grapple Shot, Detention Block Rescue, Vigilant Pursuit Craft, Take Captive, Kintan Intimidator, Maclunky, Grey Squadron Y-Wing. Uncommons, Kurazi Heavy Fighter, Fen Rao, that's like another Mandalorian, IG-11. Rare card is Chewbacca. That must be before Han meets him, maybe? From the Solo movie? Because he hasn't got his bandolier on or anything. And a foil of Warzone Lieutenant. Ooh, Hondo Anaka. He's from Galaxy's Edge, but I presume he's been in other media as well. Common leader. Coronet City, Corellia. And then commons, we get Covert Strength, Mercenary Company, Hutt's Henchman, Pillage, Collections Starhopper, Bounty Guild Initiate, Wanted, Slaver's Freighter. We get Hyperspace, common of Hunter of the Haxian Brood. Uncommons of Embo, Guild Target, Spare the Target. Rare card is Wild Rancor. That's cool. And a foil uncommon, Clan Saxon Gauntlet. So we get another Bosk leader, had him already, and a Remnant Science Facility. Ooh, Moisture Farmer, it's our first common. Timely Intervention, Desperado Freighter, Warbird Stowaway, Super Commando Squad, Rokai Gunship, Rich Reward, Privateer Sick. I'm not sure how you say some of these names. Resourceful Pursuers. Uncommons, Ketsu Onyo, another Mandalorian. Enfy's Nest from Solo, Star Wars story. And Sundari Peacekeeper. Rare card is Let the Wookiee Win. And the foil is Pike Sentinel, a common foil. Oh, Hyperspace Leader. This is Gar Saxon. And Hyperspace Base as well, Spice Mines of Kessel. Commons, Desperado Freighter. Warshire Tree Tender. Warbird Stowaway. Rokai Gunship. Gamorrean Retainer. Covert Strength. Mandalorian Warrior. Wanted. Cartel Turncoat. Uncommons of Echo from the Bad Batch. Unexpected Escape. And Punishing One. That's Dengar Starship. Rare card of Kragan Gore. And foil, it's a rare foil of Hot Shot DL44 Blaster. Halfway through. Oh, we got Rey. This is the Rey leader card. And Maz Kanata's Castle. Common cards, Hutt's Henchman. Pillage, Follower of the Way. Modded Cohort. Deathwatch Loyalist. Collections Starhopper. Protector of the Throne. Relentless Pursuit. Cloud Rider. Uncommons of Coruscant Dissident. Crosshair, another Bad Batch character. And This Is the Way. Rare card is Bazine Natal. Quite fitting that I got Maz Kanata's Castle because that's where she is in the movie. So it's a nice rare card. Foil card is HWK 290 Freighter. Hondo Anaka again. Remnant Science Facility again. Starting to get swaps now. Covetous Rivals. Public Enemy. Reputable Hunter. House Cast Soldier. Outlaw Corona. Pike Sentinel. Wookiee Warrior. Surprise Strike, that's a reprint. A Hyperspace Cargo Juggernaut. Sainara San, that's uncommon. Ketsu Onyo. And a New Adventure, that's a nice looking card. Rare card. Oh, it's a legendary. It's the Finalizer, Might of the First Order. So that's a good legendary card, I presume. Well, we get a foil Hyperspace, common one, Bounty Guild Initiate. So we get Gar Saxon and Remote Village again. Foundling, Night Owl Skirmisher, Moisture Farmer, Take Captive, Hunting Nexu, Cartel Turncoat, Protector of the Throne, Relentless Pursuit, Hyperspace Take Captive, that looks nice. Bounty Hunter's Quarry, that's an uncommon card. The Client, and the Mandalorian. Valiant Assault Ship. Rare card is Wrecker, I think that's a Bad Batch character. And a common foil, Rokai Gunship. 3 packs left. Ooh, Hyperspace Hunter Rare Leader. That's good. Spice Mines Kessel. Cargo Juggernaut. Daring Raid. Public Enemy. Discerning Veteran. Hunting Nexu. Fugitive Warrior. No, Fugitive Wookiee. Cartel Turncoat. Protector of the Throne. Hyperspace Rokai Gunship. Just got a foil of that. Uncommons Headhunting. That's a nice image with the Bounty Hunters. Bounty Posting. And Jabba's Rancor. I didn't realise that was uncommon. I thought that'd be a rare card. Rare card is Effant Mon though. From Jabba's Palace. And we get a foil Cloud Rider, common foil. So Gar Saxon again, we just got him. Ooh, Jabba's Palace, that's nice. Warzone Lieutenant. Warshire Tree Tender. Night Owl Skirmisher. Pike Sentinel. Pirate Battle Tank. Clan Challengers. Cloud Rider. Surprise Strike. Underworld Thug. Uncommons, we get Rose Tico. Cripple Authority. And Frozen in Carbonite. Rare card is Altering the Deal. And foil. Ooh, it's Headhunting. That's a nice foil. So, last pack in this video. As I said, there'll be a second video in a few days with the remaining 12 packs in it. But in this video, last pack we get is Rey. We get Hyperspace, Navarro City. Follower of the Way. Deathwatch Loyalist. Village Protectors. Modded Cohort. Deathmark. Gamorrean Retainer. Wookiee Warrior. Relentless Pursuit. Mandalorian Warrior. The uncommons we get Privateer Crew. Ooh, Toro Calican. That's from the Mandalorian. I did like that episode. Not everyone liked that character, but I did. And Clan Saxon Gauntlet. Oh, legendary. Now, I have a feeling this is a very good card. Crate Dragon. So that's a brilliant legendary to get. Very happy to get that. We have a foil of a Night Owl Skirmisher to end the pack with. So yeah, what a brilliant pack to end with, getting that legendary. So far we've got 3 legendaries. We've got 1 hyperspace foil, which is a bit disappointing. 10 hyperspace cards. And yeah, that's it. The rest are just the standard rares and uncommons, commons, etc. But some nice cards in this first video. Stay tuned to my channel to see further videos from this set. And other than that guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you all soon. Take care, bye!